That's what we are looking for. Isn't this lovely? This is Dr. Tasty, and today we go for a simple dish, mashed potatoes. We need milk, butter, and some salt. We cut them into nice little pieces, and we're gonna cook them for 20 minutes. Prepare our topping. Just put some cut onions inside, and there we've got some corn. We put some mushroom soy in it. Drain them. Okay, you're gonna put this into the nice machine. Then you put into it the butter, and you season it with a little bit of salt and some nutmeg. And then we've got the warm milk. You just gonna whisk it. Depending on the consistency, you might want to add a little bit more milk. Here we go. That's what we are looking for. We transfer it into a nice bowl, see? And there we're gonna sprinkle on some of our toppings. And now, look at this gorgeousness. Isn't this lovely?